In this video, I'm going to show you my last two crypto trades, how much I made, what I bought, where I sold, and show you exactly what my third trade is going to be. Now, a disclaimer, this video is not meant to be any type of financial advice. All I'm going to be doing is showing you how I make some extra money, and I do not want you to try and copy these trades thinking you'll make money as well. Now, I've been doing this for years. I'm still not an expert, but I'm learning and I'm getting better, and I thought, why not share with you my latest results. The first trade I did was an Ethereum USD trade. So what I did is I shorted, meaning I sold Ethereum. So I bought Ethereum at a high price, or I sold at a high price, and as it dropped, I bought back cheaper, and I made profit from the difference between where I sold it from and where I bought back on. So in this case, you can see on the 13th of August, I sold Ethereum USD. I sold it at a price of $4,693, and I bought it back 6 days later. I bought it back for $4,240. So here, this difference here, depending on how much of it you buy, you make a profit. Let me show you the trade and I'll show you the profits. On this down arrow here, this is where I sold, and this is where I bought back. So I sold high, bought back cheaper, and I made some profit. So my profit is $1,786.62. That works out at being just shy of $300 per day. Now, the next trade I did was I bought Bitcoin. I bought Bitcoin here, and I sold Bitcoin here. If you look here, there's 3 lots here. So one purchase, it bought 3 lots. So I didn't do 3 separate trades. I did one trade, but the system will buy various lots to complete your trade. So here you'll see buy, and they all bought at $112,500, these 3. And when I sold, sold the 3 lots for $116,914. This trade was done over 2 days, from the 20th to the 22nd of August. I've shown you where I bought and where I sold. And this one cashed me because there's 3 lots, you've got 3 different profits here. This one, adding these together, taking away the commission, made me $903. So in total, in these 9 days, I made $2,689. That works out just shy of $300 a day. That's in 2 trades. Now, the third trade that I've got planned if the market conditions meet. Now, before I show you this, I don't want you to copy this trade thinking it's going to be a winner, because it may lose. I may lose money in this trade. So I'm going to show you what I've got set in place, what I expect to make, what I expect to lose if it goes bad, and how I'm going to protect myself and protect my current winnings. If Bitcoin comes back down to $112,500, my limit order will be triggered, meaning I'm buying in. If the market keeps crashing and goes down to 110,000, my stop loss will be triggered as well, and I'll lose out on $650 plus fees. So that could be like $750. Now, I'm okay with that because I've made $2,700 almost in profits in the last 2 trades. So I'm willing to lose a little bit of that, risking it for the next trade. If this trade hits my trigger and reverses and goes back up, my current take profit is at $124,000. If it hits that target, I'll make $2,990 on this trade, minus fees. So that is my next trade if the conditions meet. Now, this video is not to flex, it's not to try and show you that I'm making money, because I've made money and I've lost a lot of money as well in trading. So it's up and down, but it's all about protecting your account and growing your wealth. So I'm willing to risk losing a little bit to make more. So if you do that in every single trade you do, if you have 50% wins, 50% losses, you'll still be in profit because your wins are bigger than your losses. And that is obviously the idea of this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will get back to you.